Most HVAC contractors don't struggle because of lack of work. They struggle because jobs slip through the cracks. Scheduling gets messy, and communication breaks down. And here's the truth no one tells you. The right software doesn't just organize your business, it directly affects how many jobs you actually complete on time. In this video, you'll get a clear 2026 comparison between Jobber and FieldPulse, so you can decide which one is better for your HVAC business. Let's get straight into it. Both platforms are built for service businesses, but they approach HVAC workflows differently. Jobber focuses on simplicity and general service management. FieldPulse focuses more on customization and trade-specific flexibility. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best choice is not about which software is more powerful. It is about which one matches how your HVAC team actually operates in the field. Let's break it down. First, Jobber. Jobber is designed to make scheduling, invoicing, and customer communication simple. It is very easy to set up and does not require much training. So if Alex runs a small HVAC company and wants a clean system to schedule jobs, send invoices, and update customers, Jobber keeps everything organized without complexity. But here's the problem. Jobber can feel limited when your workflows become more advanced, especially if you need deep customization for technicians, job types, or service categories. Now, let's talk about FieldPulse. FieldPulse is built for contractors who want more control over their workflow. It offers stronger customization for job management, forms, estimates, and field operations. So if Jake runs a growing HVAC company with multiple technicians and different service types like installations, repairs, and maintenance contracts, FieldPulse allows him to build a system that matches his exact workflow. Now here's where it gets interesting. FieldPulse is more flexible, but that flexibility means you need to set it up properly. If you don't, it can feel more complex at the start. Let's compare them clearly. Jobber is easier to learn, faster to deploy, and better for simple service operations. FieldPulse is more powerful for teams that need customization and detailed workflow control. But here's the key mistake most HVAC business owners make. They choose software based on how it looks in a demo instead of how it performs during a busy workday. Now here's a simple way to think about it. If your HVAC business is small to mid-sized and you want something fast and simple, Jobber is often the better choice. If your business is growing, and you need more control over job types, technician workflows, and customization, FieldPulse is stronger. Now here's the insight most people miss. Software does not fix poor processes. It only organizes them. If your scheduling is unclear, even the best platform will feel messy. So to wrap it up, Jobber is best for simplicity, speed, and easy setup. FieldPulse is best for customization, scalability, and HVAC-specific workflow control. If you understand this difference, you stop choosing based on features and start choosing based on how your HVAC business actually runs. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size, so I can suggest the right setup for your workflow, and subscribe for more simple software comparisons that help you grow smarter.